Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
75 degrees air temperature, dew point at 72. Yesterday we had some dew points in the 60s. Goodness, that felt great. Now we're starting to see those dew points climb back up again thanks to a little extra moisture being injected by an easterly component to our northeast wind. As long as we get that northerly component, though, I think we'll hold on to low 70s. But as we head into the afternoon, I expect to see that wind kind of shifting more and more to the east as a little trough of low pressure swings south of us. 75, Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka, Northport, Punta Gorda, Parrish, Bradenton, Sarasota. You get the picture. Pretty uniform temperatures across the region. We have some nice sky out there right now, a lot of starshine, and as we get into sunrise, I think we'll have a fair amount of sunlight to start the day, boosting our temperatures pretty rapidly into the mid-80s. But then by afternoon, I think we'll increase our cloud cover kind of significantly, I think, as we get that moisture riding in. And, you know, we may get a few showers around today. Our rain chance about 3 times what it was yesterday. And as we head into the weekend, we'll boost that rain chance even higher. We have this plume of moisture out in the Atlantic kind of working its way closer to us. Although locally, we don't have a whole lot of rainfall chance until probably later in the afternoon, so the morning commute should be just perfect, rain-free. Couple of frontal boundaries to talk about. This first front brought some chillier temperatures earlier on to parts of the open plains and deep south. That's in the process of kind of falling apart. We also have a secondary front back to the west, producing some snow showers in parts of the northern Rockies. That frontal boundary also has some cooler air back behind it. That one may actually, we'll have to watch this one, may actually hold together sufficiently that it'll sink southward and stall out in South Florida next week. That will allow us to get a little taste of some perhaps slightly cooler air. It's not the big blast of cold air that we sometimes get in October, but it might actually cool us off a few degrees as we head into next week. Area of low pressure swings through the Florida Straits. That's what enhances our rainfall chance as we head into the weekend. So the forecast looks like this for Botus today. Northeast wind at about 15 knots. Moderate chop is what you can expect. And over the course of the weekend, rain chances bump up to about 50% on Sunday. And then we'll watch that front approach on Tuesday with a 60% chance of rain. Then we'll see what happens. We might actually lower the temperatures a few degrees into the mid-80s by the time we hit midweek next week.